question I have today is, does anybody know what the price of eggs are? You know? You gotta farm because you love it. I'm cleaning the chicken coop. I'm cleaning the chicken coop. Thinking that there's many other things I would rather be doing. Rasta. Oh, come on. Hold still. My fellow meat-loving friend, do you think these are both roosters? I thought I had a rooster and a hen, but I think I might have two cocks. Here, grabbing some hay for the chickens' nesting box. I just cleaned out their coop. Oh. So anyway, a good prepared farmer always has their Swiss Army knife or multi-tool or scissors so that so that a good farmer can take the baling twine off the, but what a good farmer always, that's not me. You guys know me by now. I don't live my life super prepared. A little fly by the seat of my pants. A good farmer always has some baling twine. This is a tip and trick for you guys in case you need to know. Hang on, let me see how I can show you. Alright, well you guys get the idea. I can't freaking do this and film. Alright, so seesaw. Dude, I don't know. I need the pressure. Somebody, I need a third hand. Third hand, anybody? Anyways, you do this, okay, right? Oh my gosh, it's so freaking annoying. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Alright, broken bale. I'm grabbing a couple flakes and going to the chicken coop. Alright, fresh hay in the nesting boxes. They'll rearrange it as needed. Full feeder. Chick, chick, chick. How come you're naked? It's January. You're naked. You're naked. It's cold. Your sweatshirt on so you can go outside and get that chicken.
You look at a freaking chicken. I don't know which one it is.
She's naked.
Well, completely naked? Like just completely freaking naked?
Yes. Almost. She's got some white baby feathers on.
Completely naked?
It's like 15 degrees outside. She needs clothes.
Poor baby.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the situation. We got a little bit of snow. It's not a lot. It's not too bad. Oh my gosh, it's freaking freezing. The lows are like in the teens. And I saw this chicken the other day. She's molting. She just completely lost all of her feathers. And what is wrong with you? So I got on Etsy and I tried to order a chicken sweater, and it was like gonna take 2 weeks, and I'm like, I don't have 2 weeks, like it's cold now, and I'm like, I don't know, my chicken's cold. And so, oh, the chickens are pissed it's snowing. Anyway, so daughter has no school, and oh my gosh, I'm freezing. I gotta make this quick because I'm literally freezing my tits off. Um, daughter has no school, and I've convinced her to make the chicken a sweater, so I'm grabbing her really quick so we can take her in the house and make her a sweater. That one, she's so naked. It's too bad you didn't grab her when she was in the house.
I didn't know.
It's okay. Uh, you're gonna grab her?
I got it.
Okay. See her freaking naked body? She's so naked. And like, you need some freaking little hussy running out here with no clothes on.
You should make them more sweaters.
Shame, shame, shame. She really is adorable.
What about leg warmers?
Do you need leg warmers? Oh. She does not like a chicken sweater. Okay. She hates chicken sweater. But still, stay warm. It's cold. You look so cute. I'm getting ready to go feed horses and it's so cold. My throttle's frozen. Oh my gosh. It's like, ugh. Okay. Eat. Your freaking head is gonna fall off of your freaking body. Maybe you could just come eat your breakfast. Okay, my hand is officially freezing. Can you come eat? Good girl. She says, stop staring at me. Get back. Get back. Give me a second. Get back. I don't know, horses are feeling their oats today. I'm not amused. I don't think it's freaking funny. I'm also cold. I'm sitting here cleaning stalls and getting horses ready to come back in for the evening. And it's cold out. This just startled me. What is happening here? Birds don't just freeze in the birds don't just freeze. I mean, are they sleeping? What is happening? So how did you get close enough for her to kick you?
Well, listen, I had my hood up and she came out and she went this way towards Dandy's stall and she was in that corner and I was gonna whirl my
Uh-huh.
rope at her.
Yeah.
And so,
She just freaking popped up, double barrel hind leg kick.
no, just one leg.
One leg, and got your hand.
Yeah, just right at the end. I thought this one was involved too, but
I'm so glad she doesn't have shoes on.
she does have shoes on.
She's got shoes on her hind?
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I don't think.
So, the tip is broken.
This joint. Right
Okay.
there.
And now you need a year off.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we found the culprit. Uh-huh. Minding your own business.